He ran back to the van. Get out of the car! He's running back down 10th Street. Hey! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Stop, he just tried to open somebody's door. Get on the ground! You're gonna get fucking tased! Get on the ground! Stop! You're Stop! Get on the ground! You're under arrest. Get on the ground. I'm gonna fucking tase you. Stop! You're fucking done. You hear me? You're fucking done. Stop! Stop! One. Stop. You hear me? You're fucking done. You hear me? Get on your back. Get on your back. Listen, you should stop. Listen, I'm gonna tase you. I'm not joking, bro.
Start later.
I'm gonna fucking tase you.
Start later.
Good. Lay there. Don't fucking move. I'm good. I got him. Thank you very much. Hey, stop! Oh shit! I'm gonna fucking motherfucker! He tased me! He tased me! I'm gonna fucking shoot you! Motherfucker! I'm gonna fucking shoot you! I'm gonna shoot you! Gun! He's got my gun! Help me! He's got a gun! He's got my gun! Never friend, you help now! He's got my gun! He's got my gun! Tase him! Tase him! Fucking tase him! Let go! Okay.
Get my motherfucker.
Holy shit. You're so fucking done, asshole.
Ow!
Get him over. Get him over.
Roll over.
Motherfucker, get on your back.
On your back.
You're under arrest.
Number 7, taser deployed.
I'm good. Ma'am, you okay?
I'm good.
Okay.
I was scared I hit his crazy ass.
Do you resist? I swear to God. Oh, Jesus fuck.